Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will quickly explain the donut and revision cloud commands. First, the donut command creates a ring which possesses an inside and outside diameter, creating either a filled circle or a wide ring. Let's see how it works. By typing donut in the model view, we can activate the command. It will first ask for the inside diameter. This is the size of the circle enclosed within the larger circle. Afterwards, we must select the outside diameter, so the exterior ring. By choosing 500 and 1000, we created a donut with a thickness of 250. Once we set the dimensions, we can click anywhere and as many times as we want in the model view to insert new donuts. We can also see that if we set the inside diameter to a larger value than the outside diameter, we get the same shape, just inverted. Next, the revision cloud command will be very useful for creating notes and revisions on a project, as they work for highlighting parts of the project we want to comment by encircling them in a cloud shape. We can draw a revision cloud by freehand, in a rectangular shape and a polygonal shape. Let's create a cloud around this donut using the freehand option. With this type of drawing, we don't have to click each point. Just moving the cursor will be enough. Now using the polygonal option. Now we do have to click each point of the polygon. And press Enter. Finally, the rectangular option. We can change the size of the arcs in the cloud so they are not as pronounced. Let's try changing the size, using the arc subcommand, by typing A. We see that the effect is totally different. And finally, the Style subcommand allows us to choose between normal and calligraphy style. Here is what the calligraphy style looks like. That's all for the donut and revision cloud commands. We hope you continue with our course to learn even more commands in LusoCAD.